We'll guide you through how to delete blank rows in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page loads, open the spreadsheet that contains blank rows that you want to remove. Make sure you are working on the correct worksheet before continuing. Take a moment to review the dataset carefully so you can identify which rows contain empty values. Next, click and drag your cursor to select the entire dataset. If your dataset includes column titles, make sure the header row is included in your selection. After selecting the data, double-check that the correct range is highlighted. Now move your cursor to the top menu bar and click on the Data menu. From the drop-down options, select Create a Filter. You will notice that small filter icons appear in each column header. Choose a column that should normally contain values and click the filter icon in that header. This will open a filter drop-down menu. Scroll through the available filtering options until you find the option labeled blanks. To display only the empty rows, uncheck all other options and leave only blanks selected. After that, click OK to apply the filter. Once the filter is applied, observe that only the rows containing blank cells remain visible in the worksheet. Now look at the row numbers located on the left side of the sheet. Click the first row number that corresponds to a blank row. Then hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last row number that contains an empty row. This action will select all blank rows at once. Confirm that the empty rows are highlighted correctly. After confirming the selection, right-click on the highlighted row numbers. A context menu will appear. From the available options, click Delete Selected Rows. Wait a moment while Google Sheets removes all the blank rows from your dataset. When the deletion is complete, return to the top menu and click the Data menu again. This time choose Remove Filter to disable the filtering view. Your full dataset will appear again in the worksheet. You should now notice that only rows with data remain in the sheet. Finally, scroll through the worksheet to verify that all blank rows have been successfully deleted. Remember that Google Sheets saves your changes automatically.